Brexit dilemma is definitely having an instant impact. I think people are just a little bit uncertain about what's going to happen. They've got the money to spend on an event. I think they might just be hanging on to it. 10 years ago, when our big recession hit, it was very interesting because the events industry took a definite nosedive. I don't think it necessarily took a nosedive because people didn't have the money. I think it took a nosedive because people could not be seen to be spending the money on their event. So the events did happen, the dynamic change of the event. So people were very conscious of what they were spending. So people would go from a dinner style event to a reception kind of event. They would go from champagne sales to Prosecco sales. So they were seen to be spending their money differently, but still holding the event. So the event industry didn't dissipate. But as we're coming out of this recession and times of austerity have kind of diminished and gone, people are saying, look, we've got this money, we'll now spend it on events and we'll go back to champagne. I think as the new generation of event planners comes through, and we're in this new generation of it, they were the generation sort of coming up through the recession, and I think their remits are value for money, watch the money, spend it well, spend it with people you trust, pick your supply chain wisely. I don't think the event industry will change this year. It might be quiet now, but it'll come bouncing back. And things aren't not going to happen. Wimbledon's still going to happen, Henley's still going to happen, Twickenham's still happening, the World Cup's still going to go on. All those key events will still happen. And the corporations and the firms will spend their money, whether it's this month, next month, or the month after, they will. The events industry is been around for lots of years, and in London it thrives, and you just have to look at the amount of suppliers and who you're up against and the competition you've got to know that it's thriving, and there's enough work for everyone to enjoy some revenue and enjoy some nice, interesting events. The only difference is, I think, like I said, you've got to represent good value for money. We have to be making sure that we're true to our brand, that our brand image is strong, that our brand delivery is on point, and that we're going out being as best as we can at every occasion that we go out.